דקדוק ומסורת המקרא, פרשת בחוקותיי 6, פרק כ"ו, pasuk lamed vav. The second half of the pasuk says, "Veradaf otam kol ale nidaf." They will be chased and they will flee from even the sound of ale nidaf, of a fallen leaf. Nidaf, ale nidaf. The Ibn Ezra comments that the word nidaf here is a shem to'ar. It is an adjective, a leaf that is falling or a fallen leaf. So it's an adjective, and actually it is derived from binyan nif'al, the adjective, the noun itself. The adjective comes from the construction, the verbal construction of binyan nif'al, a passive tense, a passive construction of the verb. But the nun shoresh, the nun of the shoresh itself, nun dalid fe, is missing. So actually the word should have been nindaf. So the nun, there are two nuns. One is the nun, the first one of the nun of nif'al. Then you have the nun of the shoresh. Then you have dalid pe sofit. So it should be nindaf. But the nun of the shoresh, which is the second one, is missing. So because it's missing, how do we know that? There's a dagesh in the dalid. The dagesh in the dalid indicates there's a missing letter, and it is the nun of the shoresh. So, and it's presumably it's there because it simplifies the pronunciation of the word. Instead of nindaf, it becomes niddaf, a little easier to pronounce. So oftentimes you'll find in the Tanakh, which words like this, that the nun, when you have a double nun like that, one from the nifral, one from the shoresh, that the nun of the shoresh is dropped, and instead it's muvla, it's swallowed up, and there's an indication something is missing by the fact that there's a dagesh in the following letter. In this case, it's a dalid.